Good morning everyone. It's day one of not using a pencil, and we are going for a portrait with oil colors, and I'm scared. Hell no, my brush just died on me. This, so this, then I'm scared and nervous. This, the wind. Eyes, then nose, chin, forehead, and ear. Eyes, and I'm using A4 sheet instead of paper because I'm poor and I cannot, destroy a lot of canvas. Eyes, eyes, okay. So nose, yeah, how is okay. Okay, the second eyebrow and the eye. So the eye should be something in this path. Now I'm understanding that this went wrong a little bit. Okay, so lips. Okay, so the reference that I'm copying have no ears. We will also not go for that. And the hairs are like this. And chin goes from this angle. Okay, so chin. Then her hairs are also like coming this way. The reference that I'm using is very simple, I guess, because I'm going quite well. This is my first time because, so I can say that reference I pick is quite simple. Okay, so that is the problem right now. I should push past my limits. So, okay, so now it is the toughest part, the eyes. I'm scared in this part. Okay, so this one went quite well, but I guess I just mismatched the proportions. It was like this. It was going down a little bit like this, and I just did this. Okay, it's no worry. I will fix it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going for the under eye. So first I'll go with the cheekbone. Because I have not making lips also. I also want to go for lips. Okay, and okay, and then we go something like this. Okay, so I have problem making lips a little bit. Rest went quite well. Okay, so I took 6.45 minutes in this. At least I will say I went 7 minutes in this entire sketch without pencil. So yeah, just I will add some tones in it now. Now let's see how much time it will take adding some tones and all. I will just go with 2 or 3 tones, not more than that. Now it is looking like a ghost. Okay, the second tone. So I just forgot that in oil painting which we have to go to dark to light, and I have just went for light to dark. Now it will cost me a little bit more time consuming art now, but you know I'm learning, so it is fine. Okay, so third tone I will go with now. Yes. So now we'll use a thinner brush. If it will be one of the fastest oil color that I have ever done. If it came out quite well, then I will say. I just hope it came out well. Crossing fingers over here. Yes, so I'm just going to put some depth into it. Now depth, I will go with little bit colors. Not applying a lot of colors because it is a rough work. Okay, so now I have done a little bit wrong because the cheekbone I have removed. I have to add a little bit cheekbone over here now. So, yep, cheekbone, cheekbone. No, but it went too far, so I'm just cutting it off a little more. Okay, so here this. Okay. So I will put a little bit turpentine in here because this will cost me a lot of colors. So I will do it afterwards, and I will do the turpentine because I don't want to waste my colors in a rough work. The rough work should be rough work. No extra effort. Okay, so now it's time for detailing. First I will go with this area. Quite finish. So I just don't have anything. So I'll put my hand as a base. Guys. So now this, not having. It came too far. So here just had a mistake over here, and let's improve our mistake a little bit. Also quite good enough, and I'll just put a little bit of patch over here to show this dark, and here as well. Okay, so now this I have to put a little bit of white line over here to showcase that this and this are a little bit different. Okay, and for nose I'm going to use up like this, then this, and then this. Simple and easy. Oh no, I messed up. In this I don't have undo button, so I hit when something like this happened. So okay, okay. I think I really need a black color over here and a little bit white too that I'm missing. Okay, so I'm just having a little bit trouble over here. Okay, I'll not go that far. Okay, so I did not make lips. I have to make lips now. I hate lips, making lips, because it feels like really troublesome. Okay, so we'll use Birmingham U and white over here. A lot of white. Now this is bullshit. Okay, so I'm telling you guys, I'm going to practice making lips after this. How to make a professional lips, I'm going to learn that first. Because I'm laughing at it, damn sure you will just cry your stomach out in this. I hate this now. I hate this work because of the lips. Oh, there is a lot of wind today. Okay, so a little bit of this and this. I'm always scared of lips. Because I guess they are going quite well. I'm going to use the thing I don't want to use. Oh no, my reference is gone, guys. My reference is gone. My reference is gone, guys. My reference is gone. It's gone. No worries. I will just make it like. You see, there were teeth, okay, I'm not making teeth. I'm just pissed because of the lips. Only. I am not going for teeth. Shit. I hate lips. No, I'll pause this video and I will make those lips, okay? So I have done making lips. I'm not going to make them anymore. I hate lips. Okay. And of course, I forgot one thing. And that is. And one last touch. The last touch of this art is this. So first work without using any pencil. So I told you over here I'm going to use a little bit turpentine and all. So I'm going to use turpentine for making the ears. Turpentine ka jadoo. Magic of turpentine, guys. So yeah, this is the final work in which we have not used pencil for the first time. Thank you for watching.